About the M12 Fuel die grinders. So, who here has ever used a die grinder before? All right, great. So, a lot of applications that your two-handed 4-inch grinder that you don't want to have that big of a product is really where this product excels. And it's great for things like surface removal, gasket removal on any sort of oil pan or transmission. And right now, the only solution out there is a pneumatic power tool. There's a couple onesie-twosies, cordless die grinders out there, but it's not what a professional wants to use on a day in and day out basis. And we have such equity right now in our brand with the M12 Fuel ratchets, also the M12 Fuel stubbies, the high torque. This was a must-have product that users kept asking for. So we're finally delivering this product. It's going to come out October 1st of this year, 2019. And a few things had to be done right to make this something that would live up to the name of M12 Fuel. First and foremost, the power. So this product's putting out 0.3 horsepower out of this product. It's 20% more horsepower than the leading die grinder on the marketplace at this level. And to show that, we're going to show you just how much power it has. I need a volunteer to come up and help me with a quick demo. Don't everybody jump at once. All right, come on up. What's your name?
My name's Jeff.
Let's give Jeff a round of applause real fast. All right, Jeff, we got some safety gear here for you. No problem. So, we'll actually have you on this side. What we have here is, as soon as I flip the switch, we're going to turn on both these products. We'll slowly add 1-pound weights. We're going to see which one does better on this torture test, all right?
Okay. Have I got the competitor?
You do have the competitor.
Okay.
I apologize. I'm a little selfish, I like to win, so we're going to use ours. All right, you ready?
Yes.
Here we go. So you can already see that the pneumatic competitor is already bogged down. So the air, you can't pull any more energy out. It's actually flatlined. This would represent how hard you can push on a product. You mind if I borrow some of yours? Yeah. All right, thank you. This would replicate how hard you can push on a product before it's actually going to stall out. So still going, finally shuts off. All right, let's give Jeff a round of applause. Thank you very much. Appreciate it. I like the Yeezy suit. Nice. Alright. So, clearly plenty of power, 20% more horsepower than the leading competitor on the market, and really runtime is the next question we get. So, can this do an all-day application, or can it be productive on 2 batteries? So, put it in perspective, 250 linear feet of gasket removal on 120 charge. So that translates to roughly the math we did about 5 transmission jobs. So, taking off the gasket on the outside of that, plenty of runtime for that next 2.0 to be charged. Or if you're someone who's doing a lot of work, a lot of surface area to cover, we also have higher capacity batteries, 3.0, 4.0, 6.0, plenty of runtime to get you through the day. The next thing was we innovated, if you look at a pneumatic tool, there's no circuit, there's no anything telling you how fast it's spinning, and there's really no intelligence in that product. So what we did is we said we have the ability to control the RPMs, and we looked at the accessories being used, and maybe not a lot of people know this, but there are max RPMs that you're supposed to be using your accessories at that it's rated for to be safe. And currently, if you have a pneumatic die grinder, your best guess is just to kind of feather the trigger and hope you're going that speed. But with Milwaukee Tool, we actually innovated on that and designed our RPMs to fit those accessories on the market. So mode 1 is going to give you 10,000 RPMs, mode 2, 15, mode 3, 20, and then mode 4, 25,000 RPMs. So plenty of power to get through some rusted corrosion there. Here in Wisconsin, we're all too aware of how much rust can build up on a car. But you also have a delicate where if you don't want to damage any sort of aluminum surface you're working on, you can have a lower RPM as well. Finally was greater access, or greater mobility and access. We have a lot of videos out there of people in the shop. I hand this to them, and the first reaction is they start doing this. And they're reaching for that air hose, and guess what? You don't have to worry about that anymore. It's a lot quieter as well, and it's designed to fit into a tight spot, so you can get this anywhere you need to, but it's also not going to take too much space. We know people want to be mobile, so you can go ahead and fit it into your steel storage and move on to the next side wherever you are in the shop and stay a lot more productive. We also have an inline version coming out of this product. It's going to be a little bit of a fast follow, coming out January of 2020. But like I said, this product's coming out October 1st of this year. If you guys have any questions, let me know.